Hello folks. Well, those of you who follow my channel know that I love trains as much as planes. Well, years ago we made a video when the steam engine Challenger came through town on a special run.
Speed up a bit. How cool?
Well, at the same time, my brother-in-law Ike told a story of a head-on collision and it created quite a mess and loss of life.
This particular curve, where it curves up toward those trees, is either in the 20s or in the 30s. I think in the 30s. I've got articles on it someplace at home. There were two big locomotives called Big Mikes. Had a head-on collision right on this curve here and killed a few people, engineers and so forth. I believe my granddad was out here help with whatever they had to do. It was a heck of a mess, I guess.
Peter Wagner of the Northwest Iowa Review also mentioned in the local newspaper that there were at least 2 other derailments here. I also made a few videos for the local model tram club here in Sibley. And many of you saw my latest video of the train derailment on May 16, 2021. Well, today the trains are finally running, but they're still quite a mess and they are working very hard to get it cleaned up. So we thought we'd show you a couple of them running across the bridge and down the newly repaired track from my drones. So here we go.